Hi guys, so I know that I just had an unboxing, but I really do not know what is this about. I don't know. It says from Big Hit, so the only thing that I can think of, it might be the full it might be the actual set of BTS. So we'll see. That's the only thing that I can think of right now. Manage to rip it. It was close to rip something. Oh. Okay, so I opened and this is the first thing that I see, and it was so close to rip. Oh. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, no, 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 no. Oh, and then coming like this. Oh, I'm pretty sure that is. I was like, why is it so heavy? I didn't know it was so long. Oh, I really wonder. Ones. Do I have them properly? I think so. I want us to self. Come on. Why don't I spell it right? There you go. I'm so happy. I cannot wait to put all of them together. I just need her, like, to have the complete set, and then I'll have yourself. I'm so happy. So happy. Okay, I have to open this. I cannot keep it like this. I can't. Yeah, it is a week. Yeah, today it's a week. So it came so fast. Big Hit. Oh, so this one is F. I know. I'm so so pretty. So pretty. Ah, so pretty. The stickers, they make my day. Okay, so the stickers, they're all gonna be the same. But where is the card? Come on, I saw it. I have Cookie, and probably my neighbors will kill me. This is so cute. Oh my god, this is too cute. Okay, this one it's L. Okay, put it on the side so we know, so nothing gets mixed up. Hey, it's on cute. Cookie. I got. I got a special card. I got a special card. I got a special card. And I got chili. My hands are shaking. Oh my god. Oh, no. Stop. I can't breathe. No. Oh, I'm gonna cry. Oh my god. Oh, okay, this is just. Oh. Okay. I'm sorry. I think I have to check on that one for the thing. This is normal. Yeah, I have to check for this. I didn't find in the other one. I think I have to check it again. Which one is this? Oh, the member's not working. Oh, he looks like a prince, doesn't he? Oh my god. Sorry about that. I had to get interrupted by work. That's what you get. Oh my god, I got a special card. I can't get up for that. We put it here. It says, right? Yeah. Okay. I just love when like I check and I see where it opens. Okay, so this again, it's normal. Okay. You open like right here. And it comes out. And it comes out. No, don't tell me I have another one. Okay, hold on. Isn't that like the other thing? It's missing. I have all of them again. That's what I thought. No! It's okay. I want it Hoppy, but it's okay. Like, oh, I have Hoppy on her, on her eye, on tear. I completely. I don't even know how to talk anymore. Oh my god. Oh, I have Tay again. A special card. Wait, that's so cute. Come on. Focus on it. Focus. There you go. Okay, and then let's start like this. It's a bit scratched. It's a bit scratched here on the neck, but it's okay. I don't want to complain. And it's beautiful. Ah, Jin. And then we have Tay. Oh my god, he's so cute. So cute. And then we have Jimin. I think I have Jimin on here as well. And then we have, oh my god, Cookie. You know, guys, I just realized I have the vocal line. I just realized it is all the vocal line. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, I'm sorry for making it so long, but I didn't want to take it down. I want. For talking so much, and yeah, that was it. My unboxing. Oh my god. And yeah, bye guys. Don't forget to stream.